More than 88,000 local cases of COVID were added Wednesday, along with 122 COVID-related deaths. So far, 8 to 10% of Taiwan's population has been infected. Officials say the epidemic appears to be easing in the north, while case numbers are mounting steadily in the south. They say the current outbreak is at a plateau, but has not reached the peak yet.
Today, we're reporting 88,247 cases detected yesterday. The number is a slight increase from the day before.
Taiwan reported 88,247 local COVID infections on Wednesday. New Taipei added the most cases with 14,894. Taipei added 7,480, Taoyuan 9,568, and Tainan 7,638. Taichung and Kaohsiung each reported more than 10,000 cases. The CECC says infections are on the rise in central and southern Taiwan.
In Taipei and New Taipei, more than 8% of the population has been infected, between 8 and 10%. The epidemic is now easing there. In other areas in central and southern Taiwan, the infection rate is gradually approaching those figures.
Taiwan added 122 COVID-related deaths on Wednesday. 2 of them were infants who died at home within 1 day of symptom onset. The younger infant was just over 1 month old. The CECC also reported 240 more patients with moderate to severe symptoms.
The total number of children who developed severe COVID has come to 29 cases. That includes the 2 deaths announced today. So far, 10 children have developed encephalitis. Overall, they are recovering from their symptoms. Now, we have more experience and faster ways of transferring them to wards and providing treatment.
Since the start of the pandemic, Taiwan has recorded more than 2 million COVID infections and 1,524 COVID-related deaths. Health experts say infection figures are plateauing. So far, about 8% of Taiwan's population has been infected. In Kaohsiung, the rate is around 6%. According to the health minister, the epidemic has yet to peak.
If we're talking about the whole country, the rate is about 8%. If we reach 10%, after we pass 10%, the numbers may gradually start to go down.
According to Taipei Mayor Chou Jen-hsiang, Taiwan is likely to lift COVID restrictions in the middle of July. The CECC was asked for comment on Chou's projection.
I assume that by lifting of restrictions, he means the mask mandate or social distancing rules. We'll be keeping those in place for now.
The CECC wouldn't give firm dates, saying only that it would review its public health rules on a rolling basis.